Welcome to Investor XP. This is the news show that covers investing for gamers. Our message? We want gamers to become investors and secure their future. We believe that gamers like yourselves have strong, intelligent communities that allow the cultivation of ideas, and that gives you a distinct edge in the stock market. This show we discuss investment ideas focused around gaming, entertainment, and technology. I'm not a professional analyst, but I am retired under the age of 40 because of investing, and I want to help you build a better financial future. You can track my stock picks from the show on our website, investorxp.com. You can also see exactly what I'm investing in at kidbrokers.com. I'm building my kids' college fund with the very stocks we discuss on this show. We have way too many things to talk about today on the show. Hopefully we get through all of them. Lots of news headlines are coming down right now. I should have just gotten off of Twitter as I was preparing for the show because a lot of things coming out. Destiny 2 was announced. Hopefully we'll get to that right at the end of the show. They just posted a graphic of it, so not a lot of info on it. So hopefully as we do the show and when we get up to doing that news article, there'll be more info, so we'll have more to talk about with Destiny. So first of all, stocks are trying to make gains today. Our portfolio is doing all right. You can see the stocks we own on the ticker below, scrolling across your screen. Over at Ain't It Cool News, which I like to go to them for different movie news. They're talking about the upcoming Han Solo movie. We've looked at Disney's roadmap for films, and they have so many opportunities for billion-dollar films out there. And they were talking about Star Wars, and Bob Iger is saying, they're already talking about post Star Wars Episode 9, which could be another decade and a half of Star Wars stories. Another 10 years of getting a Star Wars movie. The way they're releasing them is they're doing their main storyline, and the year after that they do a one-off story like they did with Rogue One. Then after that it's back to the main story, and then it's one-off, which is going to be Han Solo. And I think the next one is going to be Yoda or Obi-Wan. I'm not sure, but so they've got plans for, over 10 years of Star Wars movies. There may be a little bit of burnout at some point, but if the movies are good, people are going to go see them still. But these are billion-dollar movies, and they're gearing up for 10 more years of this franchise. That to me, and that's just Star Wars that they have. They can reboot Indiana Jones. I think they're still making an Indiana Jones with Harrison Ford. So they have so many intellectual properties. It's staggering, and to think that they are gearing up for just more and more Star Wars. I mean, forget about the Marvel Universe and all the other items that they have. Their movies themselves, or Pixar or anything like that, and they could run off of Star Wars for a long, long time, and they're fairly cheap. Their earnings, it's about the average of the S&P. They do pay a little bit of money to have them, more money than a bank would give you to own them. So we are still very bullish on Disney. We like their outlook long term, just on the movies themselves, not to mention the other stuff they have going on. Disney, they continue to get in the news and make us want to buy up more stock of Disney's. So we're looking forward to all those Star Wars coming out, and still very big on Disney. we think it's one to look at and buy up. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for watching the recap. For those of you who are watching the recaps, subscribe to our channel so that you get the latest in investing news for gamers. You can chat with us live during the show, providing that the stream stays up. We've had some issues with it today. Each day we're live 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central Time. We can pull up the chat during the show, chat with us, let us know what you think about some of the investment ideas. Send us a tweet at InvestorXP or shoot us an email. It's mail@investorxp.com. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.